Yes, so it is my first time in Istanbul. It's really impressive how big the city is. I keep discovering new places and new areas. It's really a beautiful city. A lot of colors and cultures mixed. I'm originally from Syria. I'm reminded a little bit of Damascus, and I've been living in California for 23 years. So I see this East-West mix, and very, very interesting. I think it's a great conference. I'm really impressed with the bringing a lot of the startups. There's what, 100 startups or so in here that they're coming from many different countries. It's great that we're able to attract these great companies from all over Southeast Asia, from Europe, and some from the US. It's like really nice to see coming all into one place. They're getting a lot of value. We spent 4 or 5 hours yesterday in the afternoon mentoring and giving them feedback about their products and the strategy and how to position it and how to present it. And I'm really impressed with the quality of the other speakers that are here and the organization, and we had a very nice dinner. It's been a great experience overall. So yesterday we spent time with 24 startups that we spent about 10-15 minutes with each, and they were, at least half of them, really impressive and have very interesting products and interesting traction. It's an interesting mix to see some people with the concept stage and to see some with much more advanced and they have revenues. It's great seeing some companies from Greece that they're doing very well. I was very impressed with their product as well. The Turkish entrepreneurial system seems to be well and thriving. As I've been to more than 48 countries in the last 4 years, I've been seeing a lot, and it's very impressive. It's very vibrant. It's interesting because it's attracting entrepreneurs from the Middle East and attracting entrepreneurs from Europe, from the Balkans, and different part of Europe as well, and Western Europe. So it's a good homogeneous region. It's one of the advantages that I believe Silicon Valley has, is attracts people from different part of the world that to take risk and experiment and build companies. I think this is a good thing for Istanbul, the ability to attract also entrepreneurs from different part of the world, so they take bigger risk, because here, if they fail, it's okay. They are not embarrassed by their parents and their neighbors. Blackbox is an accelerator based in Palo Alto, in the heart of Silicon Valley. We exclusively focus on helping entrepreneurs from outside of the valley. So we're trying to share the resources that are available in Silicon Valley that has been tried and used in all the ecosystem with great entrepreneurs globally. So we provide programs, and we work with many accelerators and incubators around the world. And some of their best companies, we help them set up co-presence, access resources, and fundraise and investments, what we do in helping them get from Silicon Valley and going global. The advice that I would like to share with the startups from Istanbul, from the region, from many of the countries nearby here, is to think global from the beginning, to think about the problem they're solving, the service that they're providing, to think of it in a larger scale and see how could that be positioned from the beginning. Although Istanbul and Turkey is a very large market, it's still not large enough for the ability to reach with the distribution that you have right now with partners on the internet. You can reach the globe. So think big and try to reach as big as possible.